What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today is going to be something very cool. I've just received this. This just came in today, and y'all know what it is, as I always say, but let's get right into it. I don't know if it's just me or eBay sellers are starting to ship in Prime boxes now. Oh well. Should be alright, yep. Oh, okay. Okay. Alright, hopefully you can pick that up. Alright, there's a piece of paper that shows an address, or shows my address and the seller I bought from. So I'm going to take that out real quick, so it's going to be a quick jump cut. And I'm back. Yep, sorry for that, I had to jump cut it. Alright, like I said, it showed the address, but yeah. Here is what we are after. Ooh. Okay, so there's, yeah, tape. This is shot. Pink bubble wrap. How many of you out there have seen pink bubble wrap before? Wow, I'm just tearing it open. It's like Christmas, isn't it? And there it is. Gordon's brake coach. I know it's not something special, but hey, this is for Gordon. And I'm hoping he can't hear me because he's sitting right over there. So, yeah. Anyways, let's unbox this. Right, here is Gordon's Express Coach. Now, I don't normally do unboxings very much on Express Coach, on a rolling stock that much. But I think I'll do it for this video since it's Gordon's coach. Oh, yeah, previous owner taped the ends off. Huh, okay. I guess I'll have to snip those off, wouldn't I? Yeah, maybe. Alright, get the scissors then. Now, I'm kind of not a fan of snipping off maybe tape from... I'm gonna have to get a knife, aren't I? Yep. Be right back. And I'm back with a pocket knife. Yes, that is my name. Alright. If I can get this open. There we go. Now, do this. There we go. Okay. I know you want to see me close it. There we go. You happy now? Okay. Put that aside. Now let's unbox this. Oh, come on. I really don't want to tear this box. Yeah, I really don't want to tear something else from the UK, even though I bought this from a guy that's from Michigan. And Gordon came from Michigan, oddly enough, except he was from a different seller. I think that's ruined. I don't know. I'm gonna have to open it. A bit tough. There we go. There we go. Okay. Set that aside. That was embarrassing, wasn't it? There we go. And it is out. Look at that. And it's got interior. Ooh. Now, I know I could have gone for the Bachmann Gordon's coaches, but I really wanted a Hornby one because I wanted it to match my Hornby Gordon. So that is pretty much why I got it. I know they're pretty much the same. I know. Don't go, ugh, they're identical. Yeah, they are. They are quite similar. I'll give them that. But I just wanted a Hornby ones. I don't know why. But yeah, there is Gordon's coaches. It looks kind of brand new. Do the wheels have? Let's see if I can get that in focus. I don't think the wheels have ever been on the track. Wow. So it looks like this coach may be a bit brand new too. Huh. Anyways, let's give Gordon his big surprise with this awesome express coach. All right, where is he? Gordon, where are you? Oh, here he comes. He's just coming around the bend right now. There he comes. Gordon, can I get you to stop for a minute? I know you're pulling the express, but I need you to stop for just 1 second. Hello, Gordon. How you doing this morning? I am doing fantastic. Thank you for asking. But I got a surprise for you, Gordon. You are going to love this. Now, I know you like those coaches. Those coaches are alright. But I got something that reminds you of home. Your own express coach. Now, bear in mind, this is the only one that I have for now. The composite ones that are from the manufacturer that you are from are hard to get. They are not very easy to get, but I will hopefully get some just for you. I know there are some Bachmann ones that they just re-release, but I want to get some Hornby ones just for you because I know you are from Hornby, and yeah, so there's that. Anyways, here's your new coach. I'm going to stick it behind you, and you can pull this one along with those coaches if you like. Yeah. Okay, Gordon, I just uncoupled you from those coaches. You can now move yourself forward, and I will give you your own express coach. It's a brake coach, by the way. I probably should have said that, shouldn't I? Well, at least it's a composite coach. Alright. Coach is going to be going this way. Might need a little bit of oiling, but yes, we will kind of nicely. Alright, let me oil this thing real quick. Alright, I'm back. Now let's see if it'll freewheel. Yep, freewheel's just a bit nicer. Alright. I know it doesn't match, but hey, this is for Gordon. Alright, back up to it, Gordon. Oh yeah, you look so much better with that, coach. You absolutely do. Alright, Gordon, take it away. I think he's really happy. What do you think? Don't worry, Gordon. I will try and get some more for you. I will try. Like I said, they're not easy to get. Brake coaches are easy, but the composite ones, not so much. Yeah. Well, at least he's happy. That's all that matters. So yeah, that is Hornby's Gordon Express coach. Stopping there. Yep, I think Gordon is very happy with it for now. Even though he was pulling some of those Grizzly Teak coaches for a couple days, I think he'll still be happy pulling at least this one until I get some more, which is not going to be easy because I think they're starting to get rare now. Well, the composite coaches are. The brake one is hard to get. Well, not hard to, easy to get, because I've been seeing it a lot on eBay. I came across this one. I was watching it, well, after I bought the Hornby Gordon while he was coming in through the mail. I was watching this coach, and it was coming from Michigan. Here's the product code to it, by the way. R121. Well, yeah. For some reason, I was seeing that the R121 Gordon's brake coach is starting to get rare. Kind of rare. And I didn't believe it because I was seeing other Hornby Gordon's brake coaches that are available to buy from the UK. But no, one person said R121 was rare. I don't know. But I have a feeling Gordon is starting to go down that line too, as being a rare engine. Because I would search him up on eBay, and I would hardly find him now, since that Hornby don't make Thomas & Friends stuff anymore. So yeah, I will hope I'll get some more of those composite coaches for Gordon. I'm hoping to aim at least 5 coaches, because I know he usually pulls 3 in the series, but pulling 3, in my opinion, is kind of no fun. I kind of want him to pull more than that. I want him to pull 5, because to me, 5 coaches is a proper express engine, in my opinion. So yeah, there's that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, everybody.